I would never wait for something to let it go to waste, with everything at stake. Not that I would take it all back, I just wanna make this thing last.
And of course, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to me. And of course, happy birthday to me. Parang 1 month yung birthday ko. And of course, I would like to say thank you so much for all those unit owner na of course, nagbigay sila sa akin ng gift. And of course, for the cash. And all the greetings, thank you so much. And dun sa unit owner naman, I'm forever grateful kasi they are very generous to me. In fairness, parang all the agents, parang most likely, parang mas na-feel ko na ako yung pinaka-love. Hindi ako yung pinaka-most hated. Charing! And of course, for the unit owner naman, hindi makatigil kahit birthday ko, para i-follow up. Parang, Diyos ko, parang magkakasulat tayo ng kandila. For now, be mindful and of course, be thankful sa mga agents nyo guys. Because, oh my gosh, even 12 midnight, we have to pick up the rent. Even maulan, we have to go here to assist everything. That's why, extra thankful sa agent nyo guys. And of course, be thankful. Always have the heart that always grateful guys. Ayan. And of course, for today's vlog guys, this one, kay Sir Martin, of course, to his loving wife. Ayan, kay Ma'am. Ayan, guys, thank you so much for watching, guys. And this one, congratulations. This one is rented out na. But basically, honestly, for me, even the Pogo has banned. Konti lang, I think we don't have available units now, or else yung iba naman, inano na natin under renovation. Ang iba naman, ongoing yung furniture. So, for totally talaga, parang 1% lang. Parang ilang ba units natin na vacant for now? At least 1 lang yung vacant namin kasi pinapaganda namin so far. In fairness naman to me, kasi maganda yung services. And mostly services, free. Walang management fee. Charot naman. Kasi baka may magalit naman. Charot. Of course, we all do love naman guys. Again, this one is end unit here at Short Residences. I'm gonna show you very quick here because the tenant will move in today, so I have to do the vlog so that unit owner actually can appreciate the unit. Kay Sir Mark kasi hindi pa niya nakita itong unit na ito actually. Nakita niya na, pero yung finished product hindi pa talaga. For this area, the unit owner decided to have this dining part guys. For this one, we just put here a Prince mirror guys, and they provided this kind of dining, and this one can be folded and pwede siyang ma-turn na ganito. Ayan. I don't know how to do it, but dito ito sa baba. And they added some petals in here. Ayan. Yung petals ng mga Disney princess. And of course, for this, guys, this is the home entertainment. So for this one, we added a wall panel. And in fairness kay Mama at kay Sir, they are very good. Alam mo, same sila ng unit owner na kay Sir Mark. Sir Mark ba yun? Nakalimutan ko naman. Kasi nirefer sila sa akin ni Sir. So, in fairness naman to them, parang same sila na mabait. Kasi alam mo yung minsan yung unit owner ko, di ba, mabait yung unit owner ko, magre-refer sa unit owner, friend din niya. Diyos ko, parang nagwala kami ng friend niya. Pero siya naman okay. But for this one naman, in fairness, parang same sila na dalawang mabait. Unlike dun sa ibang unit owner niya, mas sa brain cells. And of course, we just have here kind of shelves. Then we wall-mounted a TV, guys. And we provided here a drawer na built-in na cabinet. And if you notice guys, nakahangin yung cabinet natin. Para sa pang mayaman siya guys. And of course, we do also the rewiring here for the intercom. So, nag-rewire ba tayo sa intercom? I'm not sure. Basta yung boys na nag-rewire sa akin. Medyo lang yung Disney Princess. And this one, we provided a small dining. Para siyang lang siya. Parang coffee table na lang guys. And this is the partition. The partition basically, we add a full-size na mirror for the partition, guys. Ayan. To make your unit more tingnan siya, illusion siya to make the unit more spacious. Ayan. For this area naman, ito yung sofa. This one is 2-seaters, guys. And we added also here another coffee table or side table siya. So, of course, kasi naka-side na siya, guys. And this is the basic thing inside the unit. We have here the microwave holder, and we also include here the backsplash, which is kitchen na backsplash kasi meron siya ng LED sa taas. Ayan. And for with the ceiling, guys, what we have here, we decided to have some cob light. It's a tricolor light or not? No. Oh, it's a cob light, guys, and we put here a pin light for the home entertainment, guys. Ayan. So for this area naman, the unit only just built in here a shoebox. Ayan. And we kind of shelves. Then let's go here at the toilet, guys. Ayan. For the toilet naman, basically what we have here is the overhead cabinet. Then, eto yung lagayan ng rack. Then we have here the LED mirror, which is we remove the old one and ito yung bago. Ayan. It's a tricolor LED mirror also. And this one is provided by the unit owner, but this one is front load. I don't know how to use it. Pero I think mas pa nito yung yung top load. Mas okay pa din kasi it's hard to open. And this is the shower enclosure, which is the toilet is very limited, guys, because the space is too small. Ayan. But this one is bigger than the usual for one bedroom because this one is end unit, guys. If you will notice, there's a window at the living area, guys. Ayan. So may window siya. Ito yung kaibahan ng end unit. So good choice naman dun sa unit owner. Ayan. Good choice sila sa end unit. This one's bigger. So, it's very easy to rent out actually. Ayan. And then our renters knew na hindi na yung nag-agaw buhay before. Kasi this one, backstory lang, this one, may nag-rent na, may nag-sign na dito ng kontrata to our partner ni agent. But, na-shock yung unit owner kasi pagpasok niya, dito na yung tenant. So, kinibuli namin tenant. Binilik yung pera din. May bagong ng tenant. Ang RD ng tenant na yun. Sarap And let's go to the bedroom area, guys. For the bedroom area, this is also provided by the owner, which is so they have the bed, and it has a pull out there. And we just put here a wall accent. We don't put actually the shelves because it's so pangit na. And of course, the owner wants this kind of theme na meron ng pasalamin ng konti. Then the cabinet is here, but supposedly if I am the unit owner, actually I want the 3 doors na. So the space, kasi masyadong bitin sa space, so dapat 3 doors na siya para buo na yung space, this one. Or I can put 2 doors, but I can add here a vanity mirror for the enak-enak na mga girls na tenant. And of course, ang cob light natin until here, and we have the inverter na Colin, guys. Ayan. The good thing about Colin is very easy to lamig-lamig. Kasi yung iba, it will take time, but the Colin is very good na, guys. And the TV here is so good. And this one is a flat screen. And wala siyang edging. In fairness, maganda yung TV ni Mo. Walang chismis. Touchscreen ba to? Ayan, of course, thank you so much sa unit owner ko na nagbigay sa akin ng gift. Tapos yung mga hindi naman masyado mabait. Parang, naalala ko naman. Diyos ko, naalala ko yung unit owner sa akin na may utang pa. Tapos, nabalitaan ko dun sa... Sana mapanood niya to. Nabalitaan ko dun sa mga ibang agent. Alam mo, ino-offer niya yung unit niya. Basta bayaran mo kung ibabalik sa unit mo, Sera ka, di ka pang bayad sa akin. Dapat maging thankful kami. Gosh! Kanya-kanya ka-entry mo yung owner. Ayun, hawakan naman ganyan yung owner kasi yung commission is not worth it for the peace of mind. Oh my gosh. Bayaran mo muna ako, ma'am, before ka maglipat dun sa ibang agent, ang bisyosa ka. Sana panood mo ito, ma'am. Nagigilin ako sa'yo, ha. Di nga pa ako kumuha ng commission sa yung owner na to, babala na item mo sa pangalang Anek. But for this one naman, kay ma'am, in fairness to ma'am, wala akong masabi. Thank you so much sa pasalubong sa youth owner nito kay ma'am. Thank you so much sa pasalubong, of course. And ang bait nila sa akin. Parang ako naging maldita. Charot! Let's go here. Let's see kung anong view ng unit nila. Let's go here. Tadaan! Ayan. Ayan. This is the view. It's actually the amenity view, but you can still see the outside, the vacant lot, the green grass of hope. And tomorrow is holiday kasi nilipat yung birthday ko. Supposedly, dapat yung holiday is 21 to 23 na lang Friday. So, ayan. Tomorrow baka may mag-follow up naman kung pera yan din, okay. Pero kung hindi naman, holiday naman tayo. Hindi nagbabayad ng ano, ng double pay. Charing, let's go back here. Ayan. Let's go here. And of course, yung ano naman natin is, ano ba yung kasabihan ko for today's video? Of course, always be thankful. Tas always remember that kindness is free thing. So, you have to at least, anuhin mo yung ibang tao. Be considerate, guys. Para at least, hindi mo alam yung pinagdadaanan ng tao. So, maging kind ka lang. Napakalaking pagbabago ng mundo kung maging kind ka. Huwag kang mag-hurt. Kasi hurt people tends to hurt others. Ayan. Ayan, thank you so much. Ay, alam mo today, hindi pa ako energetic kasi ano ako, parang nanghihina ang Disney princess. Parang kailangan ko ata ng maraming pera. So sabi ko, oh no, hindi pa nakabigay ng gift. Ayan. Keep sending. Charot. Thank you so much everyone. And keep safe kasi maulan dito sa Manila. Ayan. So, thank you. Bye-bye.